Jeff McGovern, the Pest Coach. This is a Dunn Knives small game and bird knife. The sheath work is beautiful. The knife itself is extremely well built. It has diamond wood handle scales held on with multiple pins as well as the lanyard tube. And as you can see, this is from 1996. This knife is held together beautifully over a long period of time, and I've used it quite a bit because it's also very, very good for cleaning fish, and I've done quite a bit of that with this particular knife. It handles well for me. I like the way it feels, and ultimately what you have here is a knife that is absolutely fabulous in the field and does its job extremely well.